What's up everybody, I'm AJ from STEMfinity here in Boise, Idaho. Today we have a little unboxing for you guys. It's the UBTECH Jimu robot, specifically the competitive series, which is the Champbot kit. This is only one of 5 in the Jimu robot series, but basically we're just going to give you guys a little unboxing, show you what's inside the box and what it comes with, and then test it out for you guys. So without further ado, let's do it. Alright, so opening the box was actually pretty tough, but we did it. First things first, you get a little how to play the basketball game that is included in the Jimu Robot Champbot box. Up next, we have a little cool design that leads us into the box. And then up here are basically just all the components. Here we have kind of like some axles and some quote-unquote nuts and bolts that hold things together. In this little bag are basically all the components, like kind of like dowels that hold together different pieces. These guys are the tracks that Champbot rolls on to make his like wheels go. Then here we have the wheels and some panels and other connecting parts. And in this guy we have same thing, kind of just some connecting parts and panels to make the Champbot look his best as well. These are the hoops that are included for the game that you can build out of the box. Very cool. And then in these green and blue boxes are basically what's gonna make Champbot do Champbot things, the motors. So these little gray and white guys right here and right here are gonna be your DC motors, and the black guys are your servo motors. The little red, yellow, and blue balls are the balls for the game. And then in this guy, we're going to have our MCO2 motor, which is this guy right here. Basically what all the wires from the other motors plug into, kind of as like the main motherboard. And that comes with your USB charger to charge Champbot. Some of the other wires that connect to the main battery. And then there's some fun playing cards, it looks like, and the sensor as well. And then what's left in the box is just kind of like stickers and a little quick guide to getting started. But yeah, that's about it. So let's get into it. Alright, so my review of the UBTECH Jimu robot, the Champbot, is a 10 out of 10 recommendation. It was super fun to build, kind of brought me back to my Lego days as a wee kid, and the app itself that you build the robot through with the 3D and 360 model step-by-step instructions make it super easy to build, as it is over a 500-piece robot there. And just the features that come within the app, like the Blockly coding, make it super intuitive for any STEM student or any individual interested in STEM. Overall, definitely would recommend this product, and you can go pick one up today at STEMfinity.com. So with that being said, have an amazing day and thanks for watching.